Hi guys, this is Unique Mirabel. Welcome back to my channel, to my page. Whichever one you're watching this video from right now, please do well to subscribe and follow me. If you know you have ulcer, come here, let me talk to you. Now, first of all, I need to explain what ulcer is. What is ulcer? Ulcer is a sore that develops on the lining of the esophagus or stomach or small intestine. Ulcers occur when stomach acid damages the lining of the digestive tract. Common causes include the bacteria H. pylori and anti-inflammatory pain relievers, including aspirin. Ulcer is like a wound, a sore, like I said earlier, in the stomach lining, which actually can be caused by either the H. pylori disease or drugs, anti-inflammatory drugs. Especially when you take drugs, all of you now that like taking drugs on empty stomach, you have to be very careful. If you don't have ulcer before, you're actually calling for it. Now, what are the symptoms of ulcer? There are different symptoms. For some people, it is different. Some people, they already have their own ulcer and they ignore those symptoms and they started having attacks. But most of the symptoms you have when you have ulcer, it could be, heartburn, or your stomach will be burning you. When you eat peppery food, you start feeling the pain and it will be so severe. You feel severe abdominal pain, you feel bloating, indigestion, and even constipation. Imagine now you have a wound on your hand and then you pour acid on it. What do you think will happen to that wound? Even when you don't have the wound yet, just pour acid on your skin and see. Now imagine the kind of sore in your stomach. Imagine what the kind of sore in your stomach. Guys, please, you need to take your health seriously. In the past, I've made a video concerning ulcer before because it is something that is really tough and you need to take care of. So because of that, I'm making this video again. Symptoms of ulcer that you could get could be abdominal pain, indigestion, bloating, constipation, because indigestion will definitely lead to constipation. Then you will have what we call heartburn. Your stomach too will burn if you eat anything peppery. How do you know you have ulcer apart from those symptoms? When you feel those symptoms, you go to the laboratory to do a test, and then they test you for H. pylori. And if your H. pylori result comes out positive, then madam, you have ulcer and it is caused by that bacteria. Now there are some measures that your doctor will prescribe to you and some medications that you will need to take, including antibiotics, ulcer kits, omeprazole, cimetidine, and the likes. And now, after you've taken all those things as directed by your physician, and you feel that this your ulcer has not gone, then you are doing something wrong. And what could that be? It could be the food that you are eating. When you have ulcer, especially when it has not healed, there are some certain food you are supposed to stay away from. There are some certain kind of food you're supposed to stay away from, e.g., fried foods. You're supposed to stay away from fried food. Fried food will do you more harm than good if you have ulcer. Foods like dodo, for those of you that like plantain, foods like fried fish, fried eggs, even fried stew. Other people that will say put the oil. Well, it's not doing any good to your stomach lining. Another thing again that can make your ulcer not to heal is alcohol. I love alcohol. It makes me feel better, madam. Uncle, alcohol will not make you feel better if you have ulcer. You're only destroying your stomach lining and making your ulcer worse. Do you know that when ulcer becomes chronic, it can kill? Okay, I don't think you know that. Well, it's time for you to stay away from alcohol and foods that can make your ulcer worse. Another thing again that can make your ulcer worse is delaying your breakfast. You know you have ulcer. Why are you delaying your breakfast? Eat so that place will cover. Eat. When you don't eat, your stomach acid mess up with the lining of your stomach and causes more ulcer and makes your ulcer worse. So please do well to eat. Another thing again that you're not doing right that can make your ulcer worse is stress. I know the country is hard. It is difficult. In fact, if you don't work, you not go chop. But then again, you have to stress less if you know you put your health first. If you know you're the kind of person that prioritizes your health, when you know you are doing the right thing by not eating the foods you're supposed to eat, you have to stay away from stress. Stay away from stress. Stress is another thing that can cause your ulcer to be worse. Thank you. Now, the last thing I'll be mentioning in this video that can make your ulcer worse, that can cause your ulcer not to heal, is I want to drink Coke. Then you do you see that is going to make your ulcer worse. And these drinks are what we call carbonated drinks. Stay away from carbonated drinks. They are acidic for your stomach, especially for you that have ulcer. Stay away from carbonated drinks. There are a lot of things you need to stay away from, like oranges, fruits that are acidic, but I'm going to stop here because when you have ulcer, you need to be very close to your physician. I might not give you all the information that you need, but I am here creating awareness, so I want you to take note. After you stay away from those foods and you see that your ulcer too is still not cured, you still feel those symptoms, then it's time for you to go natural. And if you want to know how to go natural, let me know in the comment section, so I will make another video telling you what to do and how to go natural so that your ulcer can heal. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys.